Welcome to the European Policy Update from Chainalysis. I'm Janet Ho, Head of Policy for Europe, and I'm here to share with you three key regulatory updates this quarter, from prudential anti-money laundering regulation to sanctions implementation. Please note as a legal disclaimer that this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended to provide legal, compliance, tax, financial, or investment advice. We encourage you to consult your own advisors in this regard, and we reiterate that Chainalysis is not responsible for any decision made or any action or non-action made in light of this material. Our first topic is the EU's markets and crypto assets regulation, the first comprehensive crypto regulation. MiCA covers prudential, market integrity, and consumer protection requirements. On 20th of April, the European Parliament met in Strasbourg to vote on this regulation. Following its adoption, the regulation will be published in the EU official journal in June, entering into force in July, and starts to apply in 12 to 18 months after that publication. In short, stablecoin requirements will apply in July 2024, and all MiCA rules, including those related to crypto asset service providers, will apply in January 2025. Let's turn to our second topic, anti-money laundering. On the same day of MiCA's adoption, the EU also adopted the Transfer of Funds Regulation, or the travel rule. But TFR is only one piece of the EU's AML package. The package also includes a new AML regulation, a sixth edition of the AML Directive, and the AML Authority Regulation. On the 28th of March, two European Parliament committees finalized these three remaining draft proposals. A trilogue discussion with the Commission and the Council will begin in May. These proposals will add new obligations on businesses, such as identifying and verifying the identity of customers and beneficial owners, as well as certain transactions involving personal wallets. These three EU institutions aim to finalize this package over the next year. While these proposals are not set in stone, crypto businesses should really start enhancing their AML compliance program now. Another element of the AML update is the EU list of high-risk third countries. On the 16th of March, the EU added 5 countries to this list. They are the Democratic Republic of Congo, Gibraltar, Mozambique, Tanzania, and the United Arab Emirates. Crypto businesses are not meant to blindly stop transacting with these countries altogether. However, they are required to conduct enhanced vigilance, such as obtaining additional information on customers and the source of funds. Being able to understand the risk will help businesses to handle transactions involving these countries. And here comes our last topic of this update, sanctions. On 23rd of February, the EU agreed on a 10th package of sanctions against Russia. 3 Russian banks have been added to the list of entities subject to asset freezing and the prohibition against making funds and economic resources available to them. While this package does not cover crypto, on the 21st of March, the European Commission updated the FAQ related to previous sanctions regarding crypto assets. That update is intended to prevent crypto businesses from being used for sanctions evasion. In particular, the Commission reminds European operators that they are expected to close existing crypto accounts of their Russian customers. They are also not allowed to offer new services or accounts to Russian nationals or natural persons residing in Russia or legal persons, entities, or bodies established in Russia. It seems that the MiCA journey is far from the end and there may be more hurdles along the way. Meanwhile, European governments are trying to strengthen their AML and sanctions regime. Nevertheless, Europe is still a global leader in crypto regulation and has certainly provided clarity to businesses on how to operate in the single market. And this brings us to the end of this update. We have an upcoming webinar to answer your questions about MiCA. Please see the link in the description below. I hope you have a better idea about the key policy developments in Europe, and I look forward to sharing another update with you very soon. Thank you.